You're gonna like this. Wasabi, give it a little bite. Big Papa's Tower of Shrimp. Hey, Papa here cooking some fun stuff on the griddle. I'm really enjoying this teppanyaki, the Twin Eagles griddle. It's phenomenal. Let's go with the little safflower oil. I like safflower oil because it's got a higher burn point. Doesn't smoke. Olive oil's not really good on these teppanyakis. So I'm going to smooth it around and you're going, what is he going to do here? I'm doing kind of a shrimp tower. This is going to be really, really good. I imagine these and then cook them. And I really like it when they come out, and I have a feeling this is going to come out great. Now what we're going to do, because you're my partners here, press that down. Now, we want crispy rice here, so what we're going to do, we're going to give it probably 8 minutes. So I'll be back in 8 minutes to finish this thing up. And it goes quick, okay? Here we go. We're almost going to flip, but what I'm doing here is a little secret. Put a little butter on top. Going to get it melting it through. It's going to keep the rice in the middle kind of nice here. Let's flip them over. Perfect. Now while these are going, getting crispy, it's time for the shrimp. Shrimp, as my mom called it. Let's get this pan oiled up. You know, I always talk about listening to your pan. I must have bumped the, because it's not going as loud as I want. We can do 3 each. There's 9 shrimp. Well, here. Hallelujah lime. Just popping that citrus, a little heat. And to keep the citrus vibe, Desert Gold's got lemon, it's got sesame, it's got garlic, it's got all kinds of good stuff. But the combination of the two is really special. Hallelujah lime. Desert Gold here. Butter and lemon. So what should be great about this is we got a nice crispy on each side of the rice. Should be nice and tender on the inside. And then we're going to lay some very thin sliced avocado, cucumber salad, and mango. We're going to put some of this wasabi cream sauce. What I do is I use Mexican crema, about 2 parts of that to 1 part of Kikkoman squeezed bottle wasabi. It comes out great. So that's going to go on the bottom. Then I'm going to put the shrimp on top, and I'm going to drizzle it with the Japanese barbecue sauce from Bashan's. And that's going to be cool. We're going to top it with some toasted sesame and some nice pickled ginger. So let's see how these are looking. Okay, so we're almost ready for showtime. Turn the heat off there. Okay, let's see how these look. Beautiful. We're going to assemble. Real fun thing about cleaning a griddle, we're almost done. Nice scraping, and then afterwards I'll come back with a little soapy water. If you got some places that are really hard to get, come on with this. Stainless steel. This cooker is the real deal. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off. Now let's do some fun assembly. All right, we're ready. Cucumber salad. Now the cucumber salad's pickled, so it'll give it a little bit of bite, which I like. Now some mango. Very thinly sliced. Go, mango. Stay with me. You're going to like this. Don't change the channel. Don't get up for ice cream. Now here comes a fun one. Avocado. Okay. Mango cream sauce. Wasabi, baby. Wasabi. Give it a little bite, a little kick, a little hello. I'm here. I'm fearless. Oh, Pashans. I'm done. There you go. Big Papa's Tower of Shrimp. Go inside and take some pictures and eat some.